your fighter.
So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruchika and today's video is a Meesho ethnic wear haul. So this has to be my first Meesho ethnic wear haul because I'm not usually into ethnic hauls because I don't wear ethnic that much. But as you know, Durga Puja is around the corner, so I had to get a few products, and all these products that I have got are blouses or salwars or just basic kurti pieces, and I got them not only for Durga Puja but also college wear and stuff. So here there are products which are casuals and some are very fancy, so make sure that you watch till the end of the video. And all the products that I'm going to be showing in today's video are below 500, so yeah, watch till the end. This is going to be a huge haul. So these are all the sets and blouses and everything that I have, and the one that I'm wearing is also a part of this haul, by the way. So let's start with this blouse that I'm wearing. This is my favorite because one, it is white, and second, it has a very comfort feel going all over it, and when I'm wearing it, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing something ethnic, because usually for me ethnic wears are something which are very hard to carry. You have to constantly keep adjusting your blouse or adjusting your sari, and I did not face any problem with this blouse in particular. By the way, I have styled this blouse. I'm gonna add a try on so you know how this blouse actually is. Right now for the video I have styled it like this because I don't want to wear something very deep neck, and of course when I'm gonna wear it on Ashtami or Navami, I don't know, but whenever I'm gonna wear it, it will be a deep neck blouse and I'm gonna take a sari over it, so of course the neck and everything just hides away. और ये जो मैंने साइज लिया है ये 34 है शायद, बट ये 34 भी मुझे थोड़ा लूज हो रहा है, सो ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप पूजा के लिए ऑर्डर कर रहे हो आप अभी कर लो, क्योंकि थोड़ा तो साइज का प्रॉब्लम आएगा, स्पेशली बिकॉज इट इज ब्लाउज एंड एथनिक वेयर एंड एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी टाइट एंड फिटेड. सो ऑर्डर इट राइट नाउ एंड फिर बाद में आप टेलर को दे सकते हो या खुद भी बैठ के फिटिंग्स आपके अकॉर्डिंगली कर सकते हो. सो आई वाज रॉन्ग, आई गॉट 36 ऑल्टरेबल, इसलिए शायद मेरे को थोड़ा बड़ा हो रहा है. सो इसको थोड़ा तो मुझे ऑल्टर करवाना होगा, और इसका प्राइस था 375 ओनली, एंड दिस वेरी प्रिटी ब्लाउज फॉर 375 इज लाइक अ स्टील डील. अगर कुछ भी लेना है इस हॉल से, मेक श्योर आप ये वाला ले लो. और इसका नेक मुझे वैसे बहुत पसंद है, पीछे का डिटेलिंग भी बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन मेन जो प्रॉब्लम है ना इसका पैडिंग, मतलब वो जो एक अलग टाइप का हार्ड वाला पैडिंग होता है इसमें वो है. सो इफ यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद दोज हार्ड पैडिंग्स, आप अभी ऑर्डर करो एंड फिर पैडिंग रिमूव कर सकते हो किसी टेलर को बोल के, बट make sure you remove the padding because it's gonna look so bad. Honestly, I have just removed it and now it looks very pretty. After all, it's white and white always looks pretty. Also, I ordered 3 to 4 saris and I don't know when they are gonna come up, but as soon as they come, I am sure I'm gonna make a sari haul because I love saris. Now because I showed you a white blouse, let's stick to whites and let's talk about this white kurti right here. So मैंने ये कभी नहीं पहना आज तक, and I think it's been 2-3 months since I got this, but I did not like it at all. This is like a very plain sleeveless kurti. It is nothing special. It is like a very plain white kurti. But as you know, मैं जब भी कुछ white में देखती हूँ, I just get attracted. And therefore मैंने ये खरीद लिया, but I really wanted to return it because ये small है, मतलब इसका साइज स्मॉल है, फिर भी मेरे को इतना अच्छे से फिट नहीं आ रहा, सो इसको भी मुझे ऑल्टर करना होगा. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज मोर ऑफ कॉलेज वेयर. इसको एटलीस्ट आई एम नॉट वेयरिंग इन दुर्गा पूजा, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या है इसके साथ इज दैट इट इज ट्रांसपेरेंट, सो वट एवर आई एम वेयरिंग इन साइड इज प्रिटी विजिबल, एंड आई डू नॉट लाइक समथिंग विच इज ट्रांसपेरेंट बिकॉज फिर क्यों ही पहनूं मैं, अगर सब कुछ दिख ही रहा है. आई वुडंट लाइक दैट. Plus, it is not a mesh salwar. Mesh is like a different fashion category. So this is supposed to be opaque, and the fact that it is very transparent is the bigger problem. ये सिर्फ वैसे 300 रुपए का है, इतना कुछ मेरे को पॉकेट में हिट नहीं किया. But फिर भी, if I'm not gonna wear it, it is a money waste. Still, I'm going to link it in the description. If you like it, you can get it. Now I have 2 more white salwars, and I'm really scared that this video is going to be too long. Please stay till the end. I have a lot of good things for you guys. Talking about good things, this is a very pretty kurti. Now this is not exactly like a basic kurti. This is the most comfortable kurti ever, and the price of this is 500, exact 500. So I just forgot to mention, मीशो पे अगर आप किसी भी चीज का ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हो, be it मेकअप, फैशन, स्किन केयर, क्लोथ्स, शूज, बैग्स, व्हाटएवर, जो भी ऑर्डर प्लेस कर रहे हो आप, वो आप प्रीपेड पे करो. मतलब कार्ड, जीपे, फोन पे, डेबिट कार्ड, व्हाटएवर, जस्ट पे इट ऑनलाइन, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन पे आपको 10 या 15% का डिस्काउंट मिलता है. एंड इफ यू ऑर्डर इट वाया COD, फिर ऑफ कोर्स आपको प्राइस बहुत ज्यादा लगेगा. एनीवे, कमिंग बैक टू दिस पर्टिकुलर कुर्ती, दिस इज अ लॉन्ग कुर्ती. आई एम नॉट इनटू एंकल लेंथ्स और मैक्सी कुर्ती और ड्रेस, बट दिस इज वेरी प्रिटी. ये मुझे बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. एंड इसका ऊपर का जो नेक डिटेलिंग है, दैट इज जस्ट बॉम्ब. सो यू बेसिकली हैव दीज टाइज. इसका कुछ स्लीव वैसा नहीं है. सो दिस पार्ट विल कम इन फ्रंट, और इसको ऐसे आपको टाई अप करना होगा, एंड दैट इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. इट इज वेरी प्रिटी, एंड दिस इज वेरी बॉडी हगिंग. मतलब फील जो आएगा ना इसका, वो पूरा एक बॉडी हगिंग या यू नो बॉडीकॉन ड्रेस जैसा आएगा. सो इट्स वेरी नाइस. इफ यू आर अ कॉलेज गोअर और यू वांट समथिंग फॉर योर दुर्गा पूजा itself, you can definitely purchase this. This will look so nice on like Shoshti probably, I don't know, but yeah, I'm not gonna wear it on puja because मैंने ये बहुत बार already पहन लिया है. So I'm not gonna repeat outfits on Durga Puja at least. If you are a Bengali, you will know what I'm talking about. So yeah, this was the third product, and ये तो मेरा favorite है. I'm gonna search for a link and give it down below. I will also add the code if I don't find the link. So yeah, you can go and purchase this. By the way, ये मेरा कुछ affiliate commission नहीं है. I don't get 1 rupees out of whatever you do. If you go and buy, it's your thing. मुझे कुछ फायदा नहीं होने वाला. So I would say that you should subscribe to my channel because I do not earn a lot from this. So I have 3 blouses right here, and ये है second blouse. ये था first, ये second, and I have 2 more blouses to show you guys. So let's start with this one because I have already made a video wearing this one. मैंने शायद एक रील बनाया था इसे पहन के, and तब मुझे इतना खराब नहीं लगा था. It was comfortable honestly, but right now I am very dicey about it कि मुझे ये रखना है कि नहीं रखना, because इसका जब मैंने ऑल्टर करवाने दिया तो नीचे जो आंटी है उन्होंने बोला कि इसका ऑल्टर वैसे नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये जो डिजाइन है ना, द डिजाइन विल बी हिडन, और ये मिरर वर्क की वजह से वो ऑल्टर नहीं कर पाएंगे. एंड दिस इज वेरी बिग ऑन मी. बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा है. द वीडियो दैट आई हैव अपलोडेड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, यू शुड गो एंड सी इट. आई थिंक एक और भी वीडियो है जो यूट्यूब पे ही आने वाला है, तो अगर आप वो जाके देखोगे ना, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट आई एम स्ट्रगलिंग विद दिस ब्लाउज क्योंकि ये बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा है. एंड आई थॉट दैट आई एम जस्ट गोना मेक दिस वीडियो एंड देन गिव इट फॉर द ऑल्टर पर्पस, और फिर मैं इसको पहनूंगी बाद में कभी, लेकिन नहीं होने वाला. जस्ट लुक एट दिस. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू fit into the frame. It is that big. So ये जो size है ना, it's a free size. This is not 34, 36, 38. ये free size है, किसी को भी fit आ जाएगा. मैं जिनसे करवाती हूँ, मैंने उनको बोला कि alter करके दो, and she was like नहीं, design ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, नहीं हो सकता alter. So I think I have to return this only because ये अभी return period में है, और इतना बड़ा ब्लाउज लेके ना मैं कुछ कर पाऊंगी ना मेरी मम्मी. So I don't think that I will keep this, but still because this is a haul, I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. इसका जो back है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा pretty है and I just wanted to keep this for the back only. I thought that I'm gonna wear this and over this I will have like a proper total white sari, like no other color, nothing, a bold white sari, and that would look pretty. But honestly I can't wear this outside. Even safety pins would not be enough. This is just too big, too bad. And let's talk about the padding. It's like as hard as a coconut. I shouldn't be saying this, but this is very very hard, so I do not like it. See how the cup looks like. This looks very very bad and I just don't know. Whenever I see these things I play with it. But yeah, coming to the point, I do not like this and I think I'm gonna place a return क्योंकि ये ना proper size में available भी नहीं है. If you want to order your size, it's not available. Only the free size is available and therefore this is like another money waste. By the way, the price of this is only 240. So I think for 240 this is very very nice. If this is your size then very good for you, but otherwise if this will never fit you, you should not get this because फिर से आपको return ही करना होगा. I'm pretty sure that nobody is going to like this, especially for the padding. Now let's talk about something that I am going to wear on Durga Puja. So this is like a salwar set that I got and this is how it looks like. I know like on the screen it looks bad, but yeah, I'm just gonna add a try on for you. This looks very nice and I got this especially for the back because इसके पीछे का थोड़ा low back है, backless नहीं है, थोड़ा low back है and it looks nice. यहाँ पे पीछे ये दिया हुआ है and you can just tie it up. This looks very pretty. I'm gonna add some pictures here so you can understand how it looks like. And the length of this is just a little above my knee. That is my favorite type of length. I really like how this salwar looks like, but I don't think that I'm gonna wear this with this sharara. So this is a sharara set. You get this salwar and this sharara at 500 something. I'm just gonna give you the exact prices because I don't want to mess with prices. So ये मुझे पड़ा था 529 का. So 29 rupees above the budget we are going and 529 में ये शरारा pants and the salwar is like a steal deal. You should definitely go and pick this up. I also ordered this salwar, the last salwar that I had. I'm just gonna add pictures. This salwar did not fit me because I have probably grown up, so I got the same one. I ordered it and it got cancelled and उन्होंने मुझे refund कर दिया because the product was out of stock and they cancelled it themselves. I don't know why, but this is my favorite salwar ever. This is just a recommendation from me to you. आपको कुछ try on नहीं करना, कुछ नहीं करना. You should just go and pick this salwar up because this is the best. The kurta pant and this plus the dupatta, you get everything at like 400 rupees. So you should just try it out and pasand nahi aaya to you can just return it. That's not the big deal. So yeah, this salwar is my favorite hands down. Now talking a little bit more about the return thing, basically I say this in all my hauls and I'm tired of saying this again and again, but you have to return everything within 7 days. You can also exchange everything that I have shown you right now within 7 days. If after 7 days you place a return, they will not come, they will just ignore you. Simple. The help center never picks up the call. So please be attentive, and as soon as the product comes, you wear it, check it, see if you like it, see if there are any kind of stains, and then keep it or return it within that particular day, because honestly the pickup also takes 4 days. I don't know why, probably they can't manage with so many orders, but Meesho का जो पिकअप सिस्टम है ना वो बहुत खराब हो चुका है. पहले क्या होता था, आई यूज टू प्लेस द रिटर्न एंड बाद में एक दिन बाद ही कोई आ जाता था और रिटर्न लेके चला जाता था. बट अभी दे हैव अ स्केड्यूल, दे लिटरली सेंड अ मैसेज कि 4 दिन बाद आएंगे, 5 दिन बाद आएंगे, एंड दैट इज हाउ मच टाइम दे टेक. बाय द वे, वन प्रोडक्ट हैज बीन रिटर्न्ड बाय मी टुडे इटसेल्फ. आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस चिकन करी एंड दिस केम इन अ पिंक कलर, also in a large size. I'm gonna add pictures and proofs. So ये मुझे large size में deliver हुआ and I was like what, because I'm like a small. So yeah, basically Meesho return policy has changed a lot and not changed for the good. So make sure you are attentive enough, because मुझे अभी भी एक रिटर्न का पैसा वापस नहीं मिला एंड आई एम पिस्ड एट देम, और वो हेल्प सेंटर मेरा कॉल भी नहीं उठाते. सो या, I'm just very pissed at Meesho, but still I'm gonna shop from them because they are super affordable. This is how the Sharara pants look like. They are very nice, very frilly. Is this comfortable? No, because it's rayon I think. ये cotton तो एकदम नहीं है. Website पे लिखा था that it is going to be cotton, but it is not. So make sure you know that ये rayon है और cotton एकदम नहीं है. And if you do not mind rayon, you can definitely pick this up. ये नीचे का detailing कुछ ऐसा है, थोड़ा जैसा होता है शरारा वैसा ही है, nothing special about it. But I really like this. But I think that I'm gonna wear this with like a white leggings underneath. I do not wear sharara pants. Now let's talk about the white salwar or kurti, whatever it is that I was talking about. So I got the same 2 salwars, but the difference is that this is in a green and red color and this is a pink and orange color. मुझे इसको ऐसे प्लास्टिक में रखना पड़ा, जैसे आया था वैसे, because I can't take care of white clothes. This is what I have done to the other white salwar. I was in college and I was wearing this blush. This is like a lip and cheek tint, and वो पूरा cheek tint इस पे जाके गिरा. I washed it in my college. I washed it उसके बाद घर आके रगड़ा इसको, but the color just didn't go and it looks so bad now. I'm never going to wear this salwar again because it has totally stained and the stain just wouldn't go, and stain bhi matlab kaha hi laga hai in such a bad place. It look too bad. So I'm not gonna wear this salwar ever again. But I love this kurti. It is very very soft. Hands down it is the most comfortable kurti ever. इसका जो material है ना वो इतना soft है, I just can't explain. It is too soft. So that is the reason why I have got this one. But मैं इसको संभाल के रखूंगी, ऐसे ही रखूंगी. जब भी मुझे पहनना होगा I'm gonna wear it और फिर पैकेट के अंदर, because I am such a mess and I do not want to mess this kurti up. इसका मैं पिक्चर डाल दूंगी because honestly a try on for the same kurti does not go well. मैंने ये बहुत बार पहना है already, so I just don't want to wear it again. Ruchika Tandon talks so much that she forgot to talk about size, back, length, everything. So इसका जो size है वो small है, दोनों का actually. They are both in the size small, and length जो है इसका it is very long, मतलब नी से भी बहुत बहुत नीचे. So basically you can just consider this to be an ankle length only. It is a proper sleeveless, लेकिन uncomfortable नहीं है. Color white है, but फिर भी it is not transparent. अंदर जो भी है it's safe, और ये बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है as I said already. So you should definitely go and pick this up. period. Now there are a bunch of colors. There is yellow, black, gray, green I saw, green and red, but I did not like the combination. Imagine green and red, I didn't like it. Now coming to the second last blouse, this is a pink blouse. It is sleeveless, it is a halter neck, and it is very pretty. So this is a proper cotton blouse, और this is for my mom, this is not for me, और इसका size जो है XL है. If I get this in a small, I am going to wear it and show this to you guys because this looks so pretty. और इसका जो back है ना, वो looks like a backless only. ये रेने का है. It is for 15.99 MRP, but on Amazon it was for only 400. So my mom got it and I thought that it should be a part of this video. इसका जो material है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा soft है. इससे तो soft ही है. I'm wearing this since the past 1 hour. और अभी मुझे थोड़ा इरिटेशन हो रहा है. दिस ब्लाउज इज वेरी टाइट बिकॉज द वे आई हैव स्टाइल्ड इट, यू नो, दिस हॉल्टर नेक टाइप कर दिया है मैंने, इसलिए ये थोड़ा टाइट लग रहा है अभी. So I'm going to wrap up this video quickly. The size that she got is XL and of course she's not gonna try it on. So let's move on to the last blouse and the last product of today's haul. This is the last blouse and I kept this for the last because this is the best. I have worn this so many times by now that I love this, and this is like my go-to because every time some kind of blouse or some kind of top ditches me, this is something that I'm wearing underneath all my saris because this is the best. It's comfortable, it goes with mostly everything because ये जो red है ना, ये एकदम dark, bold, hot red है and इसका कुछ भी ऐसा design नहीं है, mirror work and all that. ये एकदम plain है और बहुत ज़्यादा affordable है. I think I'm just gonna tell you the price through the phone only. Price of this is 280 only and you should just go and pick this up. As I said, 10% discount या 15% थोड़ा GPay और prepaid करना. The material is very nice and इसका जो back है, जो design है, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है and it has like a square back, looks very nice and I think this is something that you should definitely pick up. So एक ही चीज मैं आपको suggest नहीं करूँगी इस haul में, and that is this one. And other than this, all the other products are nice. This one and this blouse, these two are not something that I'm gonna recommend you guys, but other than these two, all the products are just bomb. You should go and pick any of them, anything that you like, and especially for Durga Puja you should get this one because this particular blouse not only comes in this color, it also comes in a blue, green, golden, yellow, whatever you say, except for a proper white, क्योंकि इसका जो white है ना, because the material is very glossy, ये white थोड़ा सा silverish लगता है and इसलिए मैंने white वाला लिया था but मैंने उसको वापस कर दिया because the white was not white, it was सिल्वर. इसका जो साइज है ये फ्री साइज में भी अवेलेबल है और 32, 34, 36, 38 बहुत सारे साइजेस में अवेलेबल है. सो आई एम गोना लिंक इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन फॉर यू गाइज एंड यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो एंड गिव this a try. I personally would highly recommend. That is it about today's video, you guys. I really hope that you liked today's video. अगर पसंद आया है तो प्लीज लाइक कर देना, कुछ भी कमेंट कर देना, और अगर कुछ कमेंट करने को नहीं है, you can comment these two emojis. You can also comment what you guys want to watch in the next few videos. Talk too much. I think this video is going to be too long and I'm gonna end it right here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.